Hey, are you interested in learning? Check out our videos. Want more knowledge content? Make sure you've subscribed to our channel.
Okay, so this tool is either going to destroy or save the careers of thousands of junior devs, and I'm going to tell you all about it in this video. You see, this tool is called AI Vibe Coding, and it's a new feature inside of an app that allows you to connect your GitHub account to it and then start getting AI-generated code suggestions for whatever project you're working on. Now, there's already a ton of AI coding tools out there, but this one is different because it doesn't just give you AI-generated code in a text box where you can copy and paste it. It actually connects directly to your Git project and creates branches and commits the code for you automatically. For example, let's say I'm working on this image gallery project, and I want to add some functionality where when you click on an image, it makes it bigger. So I could go ahead and open up the UI Vibe coding and say, make the clicked image bigger, and then commit the changes. And then just like that, the UI would go ahead and generate the code for me and also create a branch for it and commit those changes to my repo. And it's not a one-trick pony either. You can do way more than that with it. Like, let's say I want to add a button that when clicked adds another image to my gallery. I could just say create a button that adds another image to the gallery and then commit. And then there's the button right there in the corner. Clicking on it will bring up a file browser allowing me to select an image to add to the gallery. It even creates tests for you. Like if I wanted to add a feature where you could type a number between 1 and 10 into this input field and then have the image gallery only show that many images, I could say something like limit the gallery to the images shown in the input field and then commit. Boom, done. And then not only does it create the code to do that, but it also creates the test cases to test that functionality. And if I pass those tests, it will commit those to my repo as well. In fact, the only thing I had to do was change the text inside of these two functions. The rest of the code was all created by AI, and it works perfectly fine. This is extremely valuable for junior devs because it essentially means that you could have somebody senior do some of the busy work for you. Like imagine if you were a junior dev and you were working on some project and you were stuck. Instead of having to Google how to do something or look up how to implement an algorithm, you could just tell an AI to do it and then it would do it for you. Then you could just review the code that it wrote and make sure that it's correct. So you might be thinking, great, this sounds awesome. But Looper, what's the catch? What's the downside here? Well, the thing is that these AI coding tools are really good at doing little things. Like if you give it very specific instructions, it'll be able to follow those instructions and complete that task. But once you start giving it more complex tasks, it starts to fall apart. Not only that, but I think there's a chance that it messes up your code base, especially if you don't know what you're doing. I mean, it could technically do that with any code, but especially with AI-generated code because you won't really understand why it did what it did. You should always review the code that it writes and never just blindly commit it. So yeah, I think these tools are really good for junior devs who are looking to speed up their workflow or who are stuck on some task and can't figure it out. But I wouldn't recommend using it for anything mission critical or anything where the quality of the code is really important. So yeah, let me know your thoughts on this down below. Do you think this is going to destroy the coding industry or save the coding industry? Let me know your thoughts down below.
How did you feel? Is it helpful? Appreciate our efforts in the comment section below. Hit like button, share with your friends about us, subscribe our channel to get further updates. Stay connected with us on social networking sites. For more free tutorials, visit our website www.learneticguide.net.